Hello, my dear friends. I am Prerna and I welcome you all to Audio Storytelling Project India. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today we are presenting the 300th audio story. On this great occasion, I will tell you an inspiring story about a great person, Dr. Motilal Gupta. He has been working relentlessly to educate and empower children with a special focus on girls' education. So, let's start.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
Dr. Motilal Gupta, son of Sri Ram Gopal and Srimati Chanda Devi, born in 1934 in a well-known family of Mehendiwalas of Faridabad. Graduated in 1955 from Banaras Hindu University with a gold medal. After having led a life of a seasoned businessman, one afternoon in 1986, a desire grew within him to serve the cause of the underprivileged, and today he is serving the humanity in various ways, such as education, occasional training, mass marriages, healthcare, distribution of clothes to tribal, ethic and values. Touched by the plight of underprivileged children from neighboring clusters loitering aimlessly, Dr. Gupta decided to provide them free and quality education with food, clothing, books, stationery, sports and health care to enable them to become useful citizens of the country. The idea developed into a school with 67 children, which has grown into a full-bloom institution providing free and quality education, including computer education, to 1,500 poor children in modern infrastructure along with aforesaid amenities. Arrow cold water and hygienic toilets are provided. The school is said to be as good as any other modern public school, though providing 100% free education. To make the education of these children compatible with the modern technology, Dr. Gupta introduced 5 computer labs consisting of 151 computers with coaching under the guidance of MIIT Foundation. Dr. Gupta has also provided 34 smart classes for bringing successful transformation to digital technology to nurture growth of talent. The school has qualified and dedicated faculty. In the school's 3 consecutive CBSE board examination, there is 100% result with many students, including girls, getting 95 to 99% marks. Bound by the success at Faridabad, Dr. Gupta has set up another school at Niswara district, Mahuba backward, Bundelkhand, UP, on 5 acres piece of land with modern infrastructure, 25 computers and qualified faculty for free and quality education to poor children with all amenities. The sun has rises in the backward area and the school has opened a gateway for the underprivileged children of that area, serving 36 villages. Dr. Gupta has initiated occasional training courses in General Duty Assistant GDA, Industrial Sewing, Domestic Tailoring, Dress Designing, Beauty and Wellness, computer courses affiliated with MIIT, Electrical, English Speaking and NTT, etc. Healthcare services are being rendered to about 1,000 needy daily through 18 charitable clinics in homeopathy, ophthalmic, gynecology, acupuncture, allopathic and psychoneurotics. Supply of prosthetic limbs and operations of the needy are also done from time to time. With the aim of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Atmanirbhar Banao, Samuhik Vivah Apnao and to mitigate hardship poor people face in arranging funds for marriage of their daughters, for which often they are forced to borrow a few thousands on high rate of interest, that many a times they are unable to repay throughout their lives. Dr. Gupta initiated performing mass marriages of girls irrespective of caste and creed and without any expenditure on the part of their parents. The couple are given numerous items of daily use as a gift at the time of Bidai to set up a nice living. Till date, 1056 marriages have been performed. For environmental sustainability, Dr. Gupta has utilized rooftops to install on grid solar power plant of 105 kilowatts peak capacity and 28 solar street lights. Similarly, at Niswara School of Grid, 8 kilowatt solar power with batteries has been installed. Dr. Gupta was awarded Doctor of Philosophy by Yoga Sanskritam University, Farida, USA on 11th December 2017 by taking cognizance of significant and meritorious contribution made in the area of philanthropy, leadership, facilitating high education, contribution to promote the excellence of dharmic traditions in a variety of ways, which is received by the society as a valuable inheritance to benefit current and successive generation. Dr. Gupta is the crusader of changing the mindset of the poor people to give education and not marry their daughters before the age of 21 on merits irrespective of subcaste, so that in the country where goddesses are worshipped, poor girls are not left to suffer and cry for their whole life. During COVID phases 1 and 2, Dr. Gupta has served the society and administration by supplying food, oximeters, flow meters, thermometers, masks, homeopathic medicines to boost immunity, kada, and also created a bank of 8 oxygen concentrators. The NGO established by Dr. Gupta is directly benefiting over 5,000 children by his unique system of providing education to the poor children and 2 lakh families through more than 30 live welfare projects on education, healthcare, livelihood and women empowerment in over 95 remote villages and slums across many states of India. It is to be seen how an individual's untiring efforts with determination, dedication, honesty of purpose, possessing indomitable courage and capacity for sustained hard work of 16 hours a day at an age of 86 years, can achieve in improving the lives of large number of underprivileged people and provide them relief from the miseries of life. Friends, I am sure this story of Dr. Motilal Gupta has inspired you. His life journey inspires everyone to bring out positive changes in the people who are in need. Thank you.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।